Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha ni arugoririe kigomano gia kwaririria mutaratara mweru wa mathomo kuria anyitite miruhonge-ini ruru megwikinyitie mwena wa Naikuru akihinyiriria ati ndekuhe kanya kiama KNUT guthararia mutaratara uyu mweru kuona thirikari ni ihaririirie kuigana.
Held consultations with at least 40 different stakeholders. Only weeks ago the ministry held fruitful engagement with members of parliament and senate.
Kuringana na Magoha augite hari macera maria koretwo agitabania mathukuru-ini mahinda kwa mahinda hatiri nganja ati mutaratara uyu mweru wa mathomo ni uratwarithio na mbere uria kwagiriire. Guku akiuga ni megukorwo magithikiriria mawoni manyiti itemi na gwika mogaruruku kuria mangibatarania.
Nobody tell you that, oh, you know, once you have more than 40 children, CBC cannot work. Those people that are telling you that, have they gone there to look at these schools? It is true, and I want to accept on behalf of government that there are challenges.
Uthurimi wa uria mutaratara uyu mweru wa mathomo uratwarithio na mbere no ukorirwo gitabanio kaunti-ini itiganite guku arutani angi magitanywo guthomithio makiria ciigi CBC mweri ukite wa kanana.
We will be training teachers in 2019 so that by the end of this year alone we will have trained 225,000 early grade and grade 4 teachers.
All our schools have adequate instructional materials to ensure that our children have a one-to-one book ratio.
Ona kuri uguo mwandiki munene wa kiama KNUT Wilson Sossion niaerekereirie ndumiriri ya kuuga ati ona gutuika ministry ya githomo ni ironania ati kuri no nyitaniri wa nyitite miothe ota kiama KNUT ni mathutukanitio kuona matikoretwo magikuruhanio hari mibango ro yothe ya CBC. Ndumiriri-ini ino na ati hinyiriirie ati ndikwenyenya murugamo-ini wao wa kwenda mutaratara mweru wa mathomo korwo giteanirio kuona ndwariirwo kuigana na kuri na mathenya maingi. Oho Magoha augite maundu maria marabatarania mathukuru-ini niguo gukinyaniria mutaratara uyu thirikari ni gukorwo ikihingia maundu macio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.